have actually just discovered a new way to put the Bernina 480 bobbin, jumbo bobbin hook back in the machine. So if you are struggling, take a watch on how I'm going to do this. I know we showed you a little differently in the how to clean and oil, but when you do take everything apart, and this comes forward, the hook is actually magnetic. And you do need to line up the hole with the silver dot. That dot is usually hanging out at the back near about 6 o'clock. So we've discovered that if you line up the hole of the hook about where it needs to line up, just lay it on the little race cover, as if we just give this a quick flip. Now I need to do this fairly quickly, but did you see how the magnetic part of the hook just flipped right in and it's staying in place? If it doesn't move, you are ready to click that in and hold it and put your bobbin in. Let me show you that one more time. I know it goes really fast. That little hole there, lining it up with the dot on the back here. Give it just the right. You might try this a couple times. It took me a couple times, but once I got it, it seems to work every single time. This is going to help if your sewing machine is in a cabinet. It's a little bit lower for you. You don't have to get down and be seen where all those dots are lining up. Just lay it in there, flip it up. You should be good to go every time you try it. So just put your bobbin case back in and you'll be back to sewing in no time.